Hello, my name is Missy. I'm a level 4 student with Dancing for Him Ministries, and this is my choreographed dynamic diagramming. The dance I will be diagramming is to the song of King of My Heart. This is a group of 4 dancers that I will be choreographing to. First of all, we're going to start with the legend. This is King of My Heart, group of 4. Dancer 1 will be K, dancer 2 will be I, dancer 3 N, and dancer 4 G to spell out king. And then we're going to keep it really simple with R for right stage, L for left stage, and C for center stage. This is a very simple dance. The dancers will be using billows and flags, and as you can see on the left side, this is what we'll be using for the sign for the billows, and it's purple billows and red billows, and then purple flags and red flags. Very, very simple. I wanted to share with you, first of all, as you can see in the first picture, this is what the dancers will look like as they come out on the stage and prepare for the beginning of the song. They will be set in the center of the stage. Well, the cross will be in the center of the stage. I will, on the next diagram, show you that K will be to the left with the red billow. I will be to the right with the purple billow. N will be to the right with the red. And G will be to the left with the purple. So they will be, the K and I will be actually towards the back of the stage, and N and G will be towards the front of the stage, crisscrossed, just like you saw on the first diagram. Next, we have the, as the song plays out, the beginning part, they will just be billowing up and down to let the king of my heart be the mountain where I can run. And as they are lifting those billows up and down, they will run in towards the middle. And as it says, oh, he is my song, like the king of my heart, be the shadow where I hide. They will walk inward, the ransom for my life. Oh, he is my song. And they will just be billowing up and down. The main chorus says, you are good, oh, so good. And so they will be billowing up and down. And then after that first chorus, they will go and grab their flags, and K and N are going to go to the right bottom part of the stage and downstage actually, and then I and G will, and they'll, K and N will be to the right, and I and G will be to the left. Um, so they will grab their flags, and as the song starts saying, Lord, you are so good to me, they will be waving the flags in a circular motion over their head. And then it says, and let the king of my heart be the wind inside my sails, the anchor in my waves. Oh, he is my song. Let the king of my heart be the fire inside my veins, the echo of my days. Oh, he's my song. So during that time, Kay and I will run to and meet in the center with their backs to N and G. So everybody's meeting in the center, but they will have their backs to each other. For that next chorus, they are going to drop their flags, and they're going to be behind each other making a cross, making the actual cross. And this is what they're doing at the part where it says, and let the king of my heart be the wind in my sails and the anchor in my waves. And they're going to spin a round on those, on that chorus. Now, there's a clearer vision here of what I just showed. It's a little bit bigger for you so that you can see for that next chorus. And let's move on to the next slide, which the next slide is K will be to the right, I will be to the left, N will be to the right, and G will be to the left. So they are going to all be spread out after they have run together. And this was what I was explaining earlier. For the end of the song, they are all going to join in the middle, and it says, "You are good, you're so good, good, you're good," and it just ends like that. And what they're going to do, because the banners will have been left in the middle of the stage, so they're all going to be in the center of the stage, lifting those banners up again in the same position that they were in the beginning of the song. And then it will end with the banner over them. Well, let's not forget to let them praise his name with dancing. So remember, keep dancing for him. May God bless you.